The information here will surprise most of you that are JAMB candidates, especially if you have been practicing and preparing for some calculation-based subjects, right? Whether you are an art student writing art subject or whether you're a science student writing science subjects, once you are preparing for your JAMB exam, there are certain subjects that will involve certain calculation questions. Subjects like economics for the art students. Then if you are science, of course you know that you know to do with things like subjects like mathematics, chemistry, physics, even certain aspects of biology. All these subjects has one or two areas where you need a calculator, where you need to involve calculator, and I want to inform you on time so that as you are preparing, you know actually what you are doing. Some people don't do well in the exam hall, especially the science students, because all through their time of preparation, this is what we have seen over the years. All through their time of preparation, they have been preparing with a different kind of calculator. And then when they find themselves inside the exam hall, the exam candidates, the JAMB examiners will not allow them to enter the hall with their phone or their calculator, especially scientific calculator. Your examiner won't allow you to even come close the hall with your phone, talk more of your calculator. They won't allow you to enter the JAMB hall with your calculator. Why? Because once your system, you know JAMB is computer based, once they on your computer, once you sit down in the JAMB hall and they on your system, the computer you'll be writing on, whether desktop or laptop, in the JAMB question interface, there will be a calculator there. There will be a calculator there, right? The essence of that calculator is for you to use it in solving. The issue is that the calculator that JAMB will give you is not a scientific calculator. The calculator is not this kind on the screen. No. JAMB won't give you this kind of calculator. JAMB won't give you this kind. The one JAMB will give you will be a normal calculator. I call it Pangala calculator. You won't find things like cosine, you won't find things like sine, tangent, and all the rest. Look at how it will look. If this is the JAMB portal for your questions, your calculator will be like this, and you can see it is basically zero normal things. There is nothing special about the calculator. Why am I telling you this ahead of time? I am telling you this so that you will know how you are preparing. Prepare yourself, prepare your mind as you are doing your calculation. You as a science student or as an art student that is writing, that has one or two questions to attempt, prepare yourself that you will not see a scientific calculator. So know how you are preparing. Begin now, maybe cosine, sine, and all the rest. Begin now to learn and maybe cram or find a way to know what they stand for. Because once you enter the exam hall, this is the kind of calculator you will see. This type on the screen without cosine, without anything. You will not see this one that we have. Even those of you that are writing WAEC, the WAEC calculator is scientific, very, very scientific. Only that we cannot store answers inside it or information. But the one JAMB will jam you with, we have nothing like scientific calculator. I just said, let me inform you. I believe that you will do justice with this information I've given you. If you are confused in any way, ask me in the comment section. You want me to give you free JAMB syllabus and free past question, let me know. You want me to give you access to all the expo questions we have done on your subjects, English, use of English, the JAMB novel, and your other subjects, also let me know in the comment section. Remember to join our YouTube channel. If you have not joined our YouTube channel, click on join, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Type I have subscribed. If you have any question, feel free to ask me right now. I am leaving a very, very crucial video for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch.